what's going on, guys? Now let's another back in another video. Today I'm going to show you a neat trick how you can get your name or basically any text into your Android notification bar. So you need to get your device rooted in order to do this. And what you need also, you need to get a working Xpose framework, okay? Let me turn on my device right here and put on my passcode real quick. It's not the best thing to show it on the camera, isn't it? Okay, so here we are. I'm going to start by showing you the thing that I got, the requirement that I got. So here I got Super SU for the root, but you can get at the root using other root applications such as Kingo root or King root or any of that matter, maybe Framer root as well. Yeah, it's up to your choice. There are many of them. And then we need to go the Xpose. So yeah, there's a quick introduction to Xpose. Well, not really an introduction, it's just like a visit to its repository. Okay, so you gotta search Google Xpose. Now I'm going to say I'm not going to explain to you how to install it, how to root your device in this manner, because I want to get this video short. So any second now we're going to see the Xpose module repository, and there we go. So you can download it if you are on Lollipop or higher. This is not going to the website for you, but if you're on KitKat, you can download it straight away. But so you can see here the stacks. You need to click that link. Basically, will redirect you to an XDA forum, and there we go. So here we are at the forum. Now we need to scroll down to the list of the attached file. Okay, so you see we got two files here. Sorry for the glare. One is the normal one and one is the alpha. And if you want to get the latest version, then get the alpha, but I recommend you getting the normal version because it's more stable, but it's up to your choice. So we're gonna need to scroll up. Yeah, scroll up this time and to the download section, and here we can see xpose.zip. Now you're gonna need to download that and flash it to your device, and if you don't, then you can't install Xpose. That's what. Okay, so I already installed Xpose and already rooted my device, so there's no point on doing it again. Okay, the thing we need to do now is go to the Xpose installer and make sure it is working well. So right by doing go to the framework section, like okay, just a warning message. If you are first time using an Xpose, then it's gonna be fun, but I'm not going to guarantee you it's gonna be fun. I don't know, in my experience changing my phones, not a big deal. Okay, now you gotta head over to the Play Store to download the app that we need to actually modify or customize the notification bar itself. Now the app is called FlatStyle. Here you can see how it's typed. FlatStyle. That's why FlatStyle bar indicators. So yeah, you gotta download FlatStyle bar indicators. Alright, so here let me show you how it's going to be typed real quick. There we go. Okay, so yep, you see there the first one. Okay, so you see I got it installed my device already. So yeah, and back here in this second one, you see you see flat style chord parts and install it. And if you want to get that Android lollipop look on your KitKat, make it your name look nice, and you can do that. So alright, so flat style port indicators. Now to do it, you need to head over to the carrier one. By the way, this is the pro version, so I got everything unlocked. As I said before, this app is not completely free, but you know, it's the base app is free. Okay, so here I can set it to Dal Nelson, which is my YouTube channel name or my real name. And to set it on, you just click show carrier, and there you go. You can see that I got it in, you know, unusual position because I already set it. So you can choose your style and everything, and you can relocate your name or your text that you put in there into whatever section of the notification board you like. And I'm going to show you in a matter of a second here. So you can see there your name. Okay, so you can, and you know, you can change the padding. And personally, I like this position. You know, this order. So I have the carrier after, before the ringer volume. Okay, so I'm gonna set it just like this. Okay, so you can see here we got our name. You can put anything what you want there, as you know, maybe some reminder or anything. And you can click that thing to reorient it or reorder it, whatever. So I got it on the right group here. So say I've set it at first, so you can see there, and it will adapt in your lock screen too. So you know, it's not like a fixed position, and it can be set by the Android itself. So you can see here, even when I'm in the lock screen, the order is the same, and you know, the padding and everything will be adapt, which is cool. So here we are. Basically we just got an LG V20 feature right here, guys. So if you don't know, the LG V20 has, you know, a capability of placing your name or anything in the second screen that it got. But you know, in this case we don't have a second screen, and we can put it on a notification bar, which is quite cool. And yeah guys, if this video does help you and you like it, please go ahead and click that like button. And yeah guys, thank you all for watching, and subscribe if you want.